To get thinner thighs, focus on exercises that tone your thighs and help you burn body fat overall. To strengthen and tone your thigh muscles, do exercises like reverse lunges, squats, and wall sits. Target your inner thigh muscles with inner thigh lifts and your outer thighs with outer thigh lifts. To slim down overall, do medium intensity cardio exercises for at least 150 minutes per week, or high intensity exercises for at least 75 minutes a week. Walking, jogging, dancing, and playing sports like soccer are all great ways to get cardio while strengthening your thigh muscles. Eat a healthy, balanced diet with lots of fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Talk to your doctor or a nutrition specialist about cutting calories from your diet in a healthy way.